You are standing in the area of the Privy Gardens to the west of the palace. Among the many famous people who must surely have walked here in the Tudor period were Thomas Wolsey, Erasmus, Cardinal Campeggio and St Thomas More, following in the wake of medieval monarchs. I'm going to tell you why nightingales were banished from Otford. Many years ago, over 850 years ago, when my ancestors lived in these woods, there was a huge hunting park that stretched from the north of the hamlet that is called Shoreham and to the south of Sevenoaks. The archbishops, nobles and royalty rode there and hunted the deer. We sang to the glory of God, and because we were happy. Although the hawks were a constant danger, we stayed in the bushes where they could not see us and certainly couldn't reach us. Then, in 1165, we were banished by Archbishop Thomas Becket. Although I can't read, after all, I'm just a little bird, I'm told that a great man, William Lambard, wrote of Thomas Becket.
As he walked on a time in the old park, busy at his prayers, he was hindered in devotion by the sweet note and melody of a nightingale. Therefore he enjoined that from henceforth no bird of that kind should be so bold as to sing thereabouts.
So there it was. We had to find somewhere else to settle down. We flew towards the sunset, where we found some woods on a hill. Time passed, and we forgot about the Archbishop's commands. Then, about 120 years ago, someone was walking along a track to the west of Otford, and she could hear our song again.